Some of you have been struggling to get your assignments turned in, so I'm just going to quickly go over how you're submitting these assignments. If you are on a computer, your page will look like this. This picture didn't load correctly for some reason. That's okay. The first thing you want to do is go to modules in order to upload your assignments, because that's where we've been working. If you scroll down, you should see learning modules here. You also see it in the menu here. If you are on a phone, you'll see a yellow bar across the top with this name in it. If you go ahead and click the course, this menu will drop down so you can see modules there as well. But if I were you, I would scroll down on the home page and go directly to the learning module quick access link, because that will take you to the exact portion of the modules that we're working on. So it takes you directly to module 2 because we finished module 1. So I'm going to go through just quickly all the assignments we've done. So the first one was 6-word memoirs. All you had to do to submit this assignment was click in this reply bar, type all 5 of your 6-word memoirs, and hit post reply. The next assignment after 6-word memoirs was the virtual locker. I wanted you to save it as a picture. So you did this in PowerPoint, you saved it as a picture. Sorry about the interruption. We saved it as a picture, and it even shows you exactly down here, here are the directions, how to embed your picture in the response. So you have to click reply, you have to click this little picture icon, and I've walked you through all the steps for getting that picture to embed in your reply, and then you hit post reply, and you've submitted your virtual locker now. After the virtual locker, we did the Twitter memoirs. This you did on a Word document, and all you were going to do is upload it. So instead of scrolling to the bottom on this one, which I have directions here if you need for what you're supposed to be doing, I have guidelines so you make sure you did everything correctly. But whenever it's a single file upload like this and no one else is going to be able to see your response, you're just going to click Submit Assignment. When you click Submit Assignment, you'll get this file upload. So you can choose the file. Once you've chosen it, you can hit Submit Assignment, and you're done. After the Twitter memoirs, we did the FSA scores and goal setting. I was accepting this as a Word document or as a PDF. If you did it on paper and you need to convert it to a PDF, I have the directions in a video here, and I also have the directions written out. If you are using an Android or Samsung, or you're using an iPhone, after the completion of the directions in this video, there's a couple extra steps you need to take to ensure that Canvas will be able to see that PDF you created. So you would need to download Office Lens, the Microsoft Office Lens app, and then you would follow these directions. And once you've done that, you now have a PDF. You're going to go ahead and click Submit Assignment and follow the same procedure I just showed you on the last assignment. So after the FSA scores and goal setting, we've done vocabulary.com practice. You should have finished that up by now. If you haven't, you need to get that done. I'm going to put that grade in soon. We read The Mask of Red Death in class. If you're reading it at home, you can read it right here. We did the pre-test. The directions in here show you how to get onto Performance Matters in order to take that pre-test. And most recently, we've been working on the Nearpod tracking theme. Now, I've been posting the code in class for accessing the Nearpod. If you were absent, that's the only time you would click to see the Nearpod that I have here. So the one in class that I give you, that code brings you directly to the Nearpod we're all sharing. This one is self-paced, so you can go through it as quickly as you want. If you are absent, I would definitely watch the live class that's associated with this Nearpod so that you can, and it would be up here. There's like a link up here in my student view. I guess I don't see it, but I would watch the live class. And that's all you have to do.